Have you ever thought about how much we rely on our fingers, particularly our thumbs, in our daily life? Our fingers are the unsung heroes behind countless daily tasks, but the thumb is the star player. Its unique attributes make it a standout in the team of our 5 fingers. Let's take a moment to appreciate this little powerhouse. The thumb is what we call opposable. This means it can move independently from the other fingers and can touch all of them, crossing the palm. This feat gives us what we call a precision grip. Imagine tying your shoelaces, writing your name, or even simply holding a cup of coffee. All these tasks rely heavily on the thumb's ability to grip and manipulate objects. With its independent movement and the variety of tasks it can perform, the thumb isn't just another finger. It's an integral part of our hands' machinery that provides us with the ability to grip, balance, and coordinate. In essence, the thumb isn't just a finger, it's our personal tool for survival and progress. Now let's delve deeper into the thumb's unique features and their significance in our lives. The thumb boasts a high degree of dexterity, thanks to its unique structure and wide range of motion. This flexibility, paired with its inherent strength, empowers us to perform a diverse array of tasks with remarkable precision. Whether you're threading a needle or typing a message, it's the thumb that provides the control required to carry out these actions with finesse. But the thumb's role doesn't stop at dexterity. It also plays a pivotal role in providing essential support and stability to the hand during grasping and gripping activities. Imagine trying to hold a glass of water or grip a pen without your thumb. It would be a challenging task, wouldn't it? The thumb acts as a fulcrum, providing the balance and stability necessary to perform these tasks effectively. Without the thumb, our hands would lack the balance and coordination needed for intricate tasks. The thumb's importance extends beyond our daily tasks, shaping our very evolution as humans. It's a defining feature of primates, including us, and has been a key player in tool use throughout our evolutionary journey. Picture early humans crafting tools from stones, bones, and wood. The thumb was critical to these activities, providing the necessary precision and control. Over thousands of years, our thumbs have enabled us to manipulate objects with increasing sophistication, from the simple stone hammers of the Stone Age to the intricate machinery of the Industrial Revolution, and now, the digital devices of the 21st century. These advances have not only been essential for our survival, but they've also propelled us to the top of the food chain. We've built civilizations, explored the cosmos, and even unraveled the mysteries of our own DNA. So, next time you pick up a tool, write a note, or simply grab a cup of coffee, remember the thumb's pivotal role in making it all possible.